Always judge a person by his work, not by his word, what he is saying. Talkative people you can find around us, but it is very hard to find a people who talk less, work more. All the beautiful souls, welcome to my channel, Wellness Yoga. Wellness Yoga चैनल में आप सबका स्वागत है. Yoga is not just doing some asana or some breathing exercise, that is the pranayama. It is the union of mind, body, spirit through practice of asana, pranayama and satkarma, that is the internal cleansing. In this video I am gonna show you the beginner's jog. It is the way to start your journey to make yourself fit for attaining the ultimate stage of peace and tranquility, harmony and spirituality, enlightenment and oneness with the universe. So in this video I am gonna show you how one can make himself or herself fit for achieve their goal, to stay fit, to live longer on this planet without health issue. Start with some micro exercise. First, find a place where plenty of oxygens are there, where lot of trees are there, where peace and tranquility are there. Sit in a comfortable position, then inhale and open your chest. You can sit in Padmasana, Sukhasana or Siddhasana. If you are not comfortable with all this asana, then just sit according to your comfort zone. Inhale deeply and exhale completely. Start with some hand micro exercise first. Rotate your neck very slowly, first clockwise, then anti-clockwise. Now sit in comfortable position with spine erect and start doing some leg micro exercise. Sit in Baddha Konasana and open your chest. Then do some Titli Asana. Followed by Chakri Sanchalan Asana and Nauka Sanchalan Asana. Lay down on mat, then raise your alternate leg up to 65 degree, then both legs together up to 65 degree and hold in this position for few seconds according to your comfort zone. Rotate your both leg together just like you are making a big zero, first clockwise then anti-clockwise. Now do Markot Asana 1, which bring improvement in intestine, relieves constipation and indigestion. Do some cycling with your both leg, first clockwise then anti-clockwise. Hold your both leg, bend your knee and touch knee with your nose. Pavan Mukta Asana. Lay down on your stomach, inhale and raise your torso. This is Cobra pose, Bhujanga Asana. This is Tiryak Bhujanga Asana. Downward facing dog. From downward facing dog, come in cat to cow pose, Marjari Asana. Inhale while up, exhale while you are down. Along with some variation of Marjari Asana. This will help relieve stiffness if there is any in your spinal cord. This is bird dog, the variation of Marjari Asana. Now lay down on mat and just raise your both leg 90 degree and hold in this position as much as you are comfortable. Setubandh Asana or bridge pose. This one is the great pose for your pelvic floor muscle, your pelvic region. Now do Yoga Mudra Asana. Sit in Padmasana. Inhale, raise your both hand and touch your head completely on your mat. This will give immense pressure to your digestive organs by the support of your both heels. Stay in this position as long as you are comfortable. Breathe in normally. Now it is time for doing some twisting yoga poses. Now do pull the rope yoga pose. Sit on your feet, inhale up, exhale down. You must be careful about your breathing. Udar Akarsan Asana, which is a great twisting yoga pose for relieve constipation and abdominal issue if there is any. thread the needle pose. If you can practice this regularly, if you have any problem with your cervical spondylitis, with your cervical organs, you can get rid of this by doing this thread the needle pose. Now time for doing some standing yoga pose. First Tadasana, mountain pose. This is standing forward bend. Inhale, make your spine completely erect and then bend forward. Koti Chakrasana is another standing twisting pose. Chair pose or Utkatasana. If it is possible for you, then stand on your toe. If you want to synchronize your digestive organ by doing chair pose, then you can do that also as well. Prasarita Prahastasana. According to your capacity and capability, you can make a distance between your two legs. You need to do some full body stretching like your legs, hands, torso, etc. by doing warrior pose, Virbhadra Asana. Tree pose or Vrikshasana. Stand with one leg and find the balance as long as you are comfortable.
Sarvanga Asana and its variation. Now do Halasana. Boat pose, Navasana, Purno Navasana. Last pose, Goddess pose or Devi Asana. This one is very useful asana for female. Now take some rest in Savasana. Now get ready for doing some pranayama. First do Kapalbhati in static 1, static 2 and dynamic. That means 1 stroke in 1 second first, then 2 stroke in 1 second, then 3 or more stroke in 1 second. Do Kapalbhati Kriya at least for 5 to 10 minutes. Now it is the time to do for Bhastrika Pranayama with static 1, static 2 and dynamic. You can do Bhastrika with your hands as well. Do it for 5 to 10 minutes. Start doing Anulam Vilam Pranayama. Inhale from left nostril, hold the breath for few seconds according to your capacity and then exhale from right nostril. Again, alternatively inhale from right nostril and exhale from left nostril. This is one round. You have to do at least 10 minutes each and every day to get the maximum benefit of it.
I have two playlists called Asana and Pranayama. If you go through this playlist, you will find all the asanas shown by me over here or in this video. How to do, what are precautions you should take, all details are there. So my request to you all that to practice by watching this video. If you have any issue, if you have any question, if you have any queries in your mind, then write me in the comment box. I must give you answer. So that's all about today, and thank you so much for giving your valuable time. My name is Sammy, Yogi Sammy, signing off for the day. Take care, bye bye. Lord Shiva bless you all. See you in next video. तब तक के लिए नमस्ते. Always try to help the animal, love animal and plant a tree.